Greetings from Florida. Here we're changing the gear on the window motor for a Tucson, Optima, or Sportage. Not the same as the gear that's inside the regulator, so be careful. I want to make clear this has only happened on a small percentage of Hyundais and Kias, but it has been happening. So you've got to take off a spring clip, not really a spring clip, but a clip that goes over there, and you may have to Dremel off part of the gear to do that. And there's a secondary retainer, metal, kind of a washer almost that fits on that. When I put these back on, that's all I use. By the way, as far as getting the door panel off, getting the motor off, it's pretty easy. You can find that on any of my other videos. I've got every video out there for Hyundais and Kias. Go to my page and you can find whichever Kia or Hyundai you're looking for. Sportage, Tucson, Santa Fe, whatever you need. Optima. But in this case, we're just trying to change that gear on the motor. The most common problem, again, is the gear on the regulator. That's what's been going on all of these. So that's probably all you've got going on. But out of about 300, I've done 8 or 9 of them where it's involved changing the gear on the motor. So I'm telling you, just check it out. I put this clip on at double speed so you don't have to watch all 8 minutes of me trying to get this off. If you need these, I've got them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. I can ship them out pretty quick. You'll have them in a day or two. Well, 2 or 3 days probably. Post office, priority mail. I also have a video on how to change just the regulator gear as well, which is the most common, most important part of this. You are going to skip ahead if you'd like. I should have probably cut a lot of this out. And I think I'm going to go get my Dremel. Maybe not. Oh, it looks like I got both of them off. Again, there's one clip on top that you're not going to be putting back on. It's going to be mangled. There's another, kind of like a washer almost, but it fits on pretty tight. You can put that one back on. Even if you don't put either one of them back on, you're fine. And in the unlikely event that you break that post that the gear goes on, not a big deal, shouldn't matter. And one more important thing, and this is vital, is don't over tighten the motor when you put these back on. The gears for the motor are a little bit taller, and as a result, if you put them on too tight, your window won't go that quickly. So just put them on normal torque, but just don't over tighten them. And there's that one. See that silver one right there? Looks like a washer. By the way, the gear to the left of the gray mat is the window regulator gear. That's the one that goes most common. This customer had a problem with one of them, so he wanted me to change all of them while I was there. And let's grab a yellow one. Now there's a few different types of gears for this. You want, in my case, the yellow one. And that's it. Have a good week.